Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. Respected my dear teachers and students, today I am going to discuss the very important topic of Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Dear students, as you can see here, today the department has released the multiple choice question based model question paper number 2 for the subject mathematics. So this is the model paper for Karnataka SSLC students as per the reduced syllabus and the new pattern 2020-2021. Children, this is paper 1 itself, but department has released two sets of model question paper for the same subject. For the subject mathematics, the department has released two set of model question papers. This is set number 2. Already we have discussed the questions and even the solutions in our previous class. Still, if you have not watched those videos or if you have not got the information related to that, after watching this complete video, you can just check it out in the description below. I am going to give you the link of the set number 1 questions and even the solutions. Now we are discussing for the subject mathematics. This is set number 2, and here this question paper, this model question paper is given in both the versions. As you can see here, it is in Kannada version as well as in English version. I don't want to discuss much about these things. I hope you all know about this information earlier, right? Good. Children, one question and 4 options will be given, and you have to choose your OMR sheet, okay, and you have to use either black ballpoint pen or blue black point ball pen you have to use while you are shading in the OMR sheet. Now I will be going to discuss in this session only the questions, that's it, but in my next session I am going to discuss the answers for these all questions. As you can see here, these are the questions. These are the questions which belongs to set number 2 of paper 1 mathematics. Dear students, one important information I just like to give you all, that tomorrow, that is Saturday, I am going to come live in my YouTube channel. Again I am repeating, tomorrow 19th of June 2021 I am going to come live in my YouTube channel Shasar Classes. Shasar Classes, this is the name of my YouTube channel. Tomorrow I am going to come live where I will be discussing how to solve these problems in a short duration of time. Okay, do not forget to come live and watch the video and get an opportunity to learn with Shah Faisal sir. Tomorrow sharp at 1 p.m. I am going to come live in my YouTube channel and also in my Facebook. Okay, both the links will be given in the YouTube post. Whichever is convenient to you, you can follow me through those platforms. So these are the questions. These are the questions which belongs to model paper number 1, set number 2. The paper will be very easy, children, but only your smart work is required and your dedication and basic subject knowledge is required to solve these all questions. No need to worry. We are there. We will help you out to face your upcoming board exam. Dear students, try to share this video with your all friends and with your classmates. So let everyone get an opportunity to understand how to solve the paper, how to analyze the paper, how to execute the paper with the correct option and score the very good marks. As you can see here, these are the questions. I hope the concept is clear for you all. So this is total 40 questions is been given in this model paper set number 2 of subject mathematics. And also you can see children, they have given 4 worksheets. Okay, they have given like front and back, I mean to say 2 worksheets, 2 papers, it means 4 side blank sheets will be given to you. You can use that for the working purpose in your final board exam. Wish you all the best of luck. Keep watching to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes. Still, if you are not subscribed, do subscribe, click the bell icon so that you can find the latest updates and notifications from our end time to time. Good, take care, wish you all the best of luck once again. Bye.